before you throw that turkey out, make a stock. First, olive oil right up in the pot, just like that. Next, start throwing those turkey pieces up in there. Get that neck in there first. That body and that back. Let it sear up. While that's searing, this is a good time to chop up some onion, some celery, and even if you got some of those extra veggies from the bottom of that turkey roasting pan, you can save those too as well, because we're gonna use these later. Nothing goes to waste, y'all. Don't let this spoil in your fridge. Use it to make a stock. Once everything's seared, remove it from the pot. Now add your veggies. And don't forget the garlic. All right, now that's gone for about 5 minutes. Just the veggies. I'm gonna add that turkey back to the pot. Got our back. The rest of that carcass right up in there. Make sure it's nice and stuffed. Then we're gonna add some herbs. This is just rosemary, thyme, and sage that I'm gonna use before it goes bad. Put that right up in there. Next, we're gonna cover this with some cold water. Just like that. It's already smelling good. You want that turkey completely covered. Now, just for a little added magic, I like to use my top of the line brine. Just a cup, just to add a little extra essence to this stock. So when I use it, when I'm cooking, I'm tasting that goodness. Just taking a cup, about a cup of that, a little less, and dumping that all up in there. All right, now that it's boiling, we're gonna reduce this heat. Simmer on low for at least 4 hours, but the longer the better. The longer you let it boil, let it simmer, the better and more rich that broth is gonna be. Once you're done with it, strain it, store it for up to 6 months in your freezer, and you know I'm gonna buy that boxed broth again. Now that's good, shawty.